problem we have taken, I think. Okay. Whether we have completed that example or still some part is remained there.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Complete part. I asked you to do some calculations, na?
Yes.
I asked
Last
you to
table.
like complete the table and draw it. Whether you have completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the answers? Just a minute, I will check it. What are the answers in table? First, I have given you the values also. Barabar. 0, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. The values also I have given. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you calculated the values?
Yes, sir.
So please tell me one by one. Let us check the answer. Then we will move ahead for the next example. So at 0, what is the value of h of e power j omega?
The
Yes.
screen is not visible.
स्क्रीन अभी शेयर किया ही नहीं मैडम मैंने. Okay. Now. Okay, I think we have plotted the table. Now whether screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first thing is omega in degree. We need to write omega in degree. Then next we have written h of e power j omega. And third, we have written magnitude of h of e power j omega in dB. Okay, so we have to write down the values here. Hope everyone has calculated. At 0, what is the value of h of e power j omega?
0.7. 0.07.
It is 0.07. Okay.
07.
Okay. What about this? Next value?
Minus
It is
23.09.
minus 23.09, or simply I will write it as 1. Okay. The next, at 15, what is the value?
0.125.
0.125. And this value is?
Minus 18.06.
It is minus 18.06. Okay. Then next, at 30, it is?
0.279.
Or I can take 0.28, and then it is minus 11.
11.08.
11.08.
08.
Okay, 11.08. The next, at 45, we have it is
0.497.
0.497, and then it is minus
Minus 6.39.
39, but I have got it as 07. Okay, no problem. Let it be. Then at 60, hope everyone has done this. Anybody is having doubt here?
No, sir.
So if you have any confusion, please let me know that, so that we will discuss on that part. At 60, what is the value? 0.716 it is, and this value is minus 2.89. Just check the values. And what about 75?
0.881.
0.88. We'll consider only 2-digit value, and this is minus
1.1.
1.1. And then at 90,
0.99966.
90 it is 0.966 or else, okay, let me take it is 7. 0.5 से ज़्यादा अगर है तो we will take it next value. Then 90 HD of this dB value is
0.29.
0.29. Okay. Then at 105,
0.99.
at 105 we have again 0.99. Okay. And then this dB value is
Minus 0.043.
minus 0.043. Okay. Then at 120,
1.
at 120 it is
1.
1. Okay. Then at
0.
0. Okay. At 135
1.0029.
it is 1.0029. Okay, we will take it is like 1.03 next value. Then 0.025
0.025.
है ना, so we will take it is 0.3. Then at 150 we have again it is
1.003.
0.003. Then again it is
0.26.
0.026. Then at 165 we have it is
0.999.
0.99, almost. Let us take 1. And last at 180, what is the value we are having?
0.996.
It is almost like 1.01. Then this value is 0.09. Barabar? So these are the values we are getting. Hope you all have understood this. Any confusion here? Any confusion in calculating this table? Yes? Can I move to the next part? Now we want to plot this. How do you plot it? तो इसको हम plot कर रहे हैं अभी. Okay. So what we will plot is, we are plotting HD of e power j omega, that is h of e power j omega in dB is plotted with respect to omega. So this is what the plot we are doing. Okay. So here I will take this cutoff frequency as like pi by 2 and we are plotting it up to omega. So what is our question? So here somewhere I will put my margin as 0. ये मेरा margin है 0 का. Then let me take it is like -5, then -10, then -15, -20, then -25 and -30 likewise I will take. Okay. So then अभी आप देखो यहाँ पे, if you start with the value, what's happening here? So if you look at into this part now, the last row, are you getting? Yes? Hello? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. At 0, what is the value we are having? minus 23.1. मग का कुठे येणार आता? At 0 is this point, right? So if I take the value as 0 here, so let me take here 0. At 0 I have the point like 25 is there, like 23 यहाँ पे आएगा almost nearer value. Okay, and after that at 15, so almost where I will get 18, मतलब यहाँ पे कहाँ तो value आएगा मेरा, right? So it is 15, so 18 is this way again. Then next at 30, what is the value I am having? At 30 it is 11, so let us take it is at 30 11. So here somewhere I will get the value. Okay, so this is at 30. Then again at 45, what is the value I'm having? Minus 2. So यहाँ पे आएगा value somewhere. Okay, then again at 60, what is the value? What is the value at 60 is again, sorry, it is minus 6. So यहाँ पे कहीं तो भी आएगा. Then again minus 2 here somewhere I will get. So it's like plotting the graph. Okay, at 75, again it is approximately this value. Then at 90, what is the value I'm having? 0.97. So it is like positive value we are having now. Then if you just look at into that part, key at 90, I have like 0.29. Then again, so here again at 105, still it is 0. Like minus 0.04. And at 120 onwards, it is moving towards the value. So that means, so this graph will look like this way. So how it will look like? It's like looking like this way. So practically आप इसको अगर plot करेंगे, so it will be looking like this way. Means, so here the cutoff frequency is. Understood? So if you look at into these values, so here you will not find the much variation. So these are all is approximately equals to 1. Sorry, 0. ठीक है? Yes or no? So,
Yes, sir.
so this is what we are calling it as the high pass filter. So it is the high pass filter we are having. Now what observation we are finding here is, as we have used a window function, this same thing we can do with the MATLAB also. So there we can understand the variations properly. इनके अगर graph आपको plot करना है, so you have to take the maximum values in the graph so that we'll get the smooth curve. So this is the way how we are solving the example, or how we are designing a filter with the help of Hamming window. Understood? Still any questions are there? Any questions here? Yes? Anyone is having any questions? "37. Gayatri is there? Gayatri Kuntala.
Yes, sir.
Madam, have you understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions here?
हो सर कळालं.
खड़ा लगा. Okay. Thank you. Bhakti is there? Bhakti? Bhakti Dugdikar. Dudgikar. Bhakti, are you there? Then let's take one more example so that you will get a practice on that part. So you can solve it very easily. So before going to go into the next part, have you faced any problem in solving assignment, test 4? कुणाला काय अडचण आलं का?
No, sir.
ओके. सगळ्यांनी सबमिट केलंय का? मला वाटतं खूप कमी रिस्पॉन्स आला त्याच्यामध्ये. Still I have not checked that. But very few responses I have checked. Very still, most of you have not submitted that. Okay, let's take the next example. Take next example. लोक का आता झोपेतून उठून लेक्चरला जॉईन व्हायला लागला विचार करायला लागला वाटतंय. Now almost like half an hour was over and still they want to join the lectures. Take next question. Design an ideal low pass filter. Design an ideal low pass filter. Are you noting? Design an ideal low pass filter using a Fourier method. Using Fourier method or Fourier series method, you can write Fourier series method, whose desired frequency response is whose desired frequency response is HD of e power j omega equals to whose desired frequency response is HD of e power j omega equals to HD of e power j omega is equals to 1 for pi by 3 greater than or equals to omega greater than or equals to omega greater than or equals to minus pi by 3 and is 0 for or otherwise we can write 0 otherwise okay at n equals to 9 determine 10 equals to 9 determine h of z using Hamming window. Using Hamming window. Now, solution for this. So, who will tell me the solution for this? Stepwise. Step 1. क्या है यहाँ पे? Can anyone tell me? What is step 1?
Find window function value.
Very good. First, we have to find the window function value. What is that? Just write step 1 to find a window function value. What is the window here? We have it is Hamming window. So we will write WH of n is equals to, what is formula? Can anyone tell me the formula? Formula काय आपला? What is the formula of Hamming window?
0.54 plus 0.46 into cos 2 pi n upon n minus 1 for minus
0.54
1
plus 0.46 cos 2 pi n divided by n minus 1 for n minus 1 by 2, which is minus n minus 1 by 2, less than or equals to n, less than or equals to n minus 1 by 2. So this is the formula of which function? Hamming window. Barabar? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now let's calculate, or this can be written as WH of n is equals to 0.54 plus 0.46 into cos 2 pi n. n कितना है आपका? What is the n value here?
9.
9.
9.
9 minus 1, it is 8. तो यहाँ पे 8 आएगा for what value? Minus 4 to, that is minus 4 less than or equals to n, less than or equals to 4. ठीक है? Now let us calculate the values of this. First we will calculate it n equals to 0. That is omega h of 0 we will calculate. What is the value? Omega h of 0 का value क्या आता है?
1.
1. Similarly, calculate omega h of 1 is equals to omega h of minus 1. Then you calculate omega h of 2 is equals to omega h of minus 2. Omega h of 3 is equals to omega h of minus 3. Omega h of 4 is equals to omega h of minus 4, or now you tell me the values. So please सगळ्यांनी ट्राय करा. फक्त दोघं चौघांचे रिस्पॉन्स येतात मला, बाकीचे काय नाही. So please give me the answers others also such that it is a practice for you. आणि ह्या वेळेस तुमचे नक्की परीक्षा होणार आहेत. लेक्चर्स ऑफलाइन होतील नाही होतील काय गॅरंटी नाही, तर परीक्षा होणार आहेत. Hope you all know that your degree exams are also there. Like final year students exams are going to be conducted in the month of October. माहिती आहे का मेसेज आहे सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
सो डोंट थिंक दॅट की आमचं परीक्षा डिसेंबर मध्ये होणार आहेत. नक्की परीक्षा होणार ह्या वेळेस. सो क्लास होतील नंतर नाही होतील त्याचा काही गॅरंटी नाही. मे बी दे विल आस्क टू कंडक्ट द एक्झाम बेस्ड ऑन आवर ऑनलाईन लेक्चर्स, or maybe at the end if everything goes normal, 10-15 minutes revision will be there, 15 days revision will be there. That's not sure again. मग त्या हिशोबाने like with that concern you should be serious and you have to do the things seriously. नशिबाना सेकंड इयर सेकंड सेम सगळ्यांनी व्यवस्थित पास झाले है ना. थर्ड इयर फर्स्ट सेम तसं होणार नाही. सो बी सिरियस ऑन दॅट पार्ट. What is the value? omega h of 1? Can anyone tell me?
0.8652.
Yes, it is 0.8652. 0.8652. Next, omega h of
0.54.
0.54 ka? 52. Sorry, 54. Okay. Then third,
0.2147.
0.214. Then
0.08.
0.08. So this is our first step. आला लक्षात सगळ्यांचं? एनी कन्फ्युजन हियर? पहिला स्टेप कळालं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I move to the next step? Can anyone tell me what is the next step? Please note down these values. Second step काय आहे आपलं?
Calculating HD of n.
Okay, very good. Next, we will move to the second step. Second step is to find HD of n. To find HD of n. What is the formula we are having? Formula काय आहे आपलं? HD of n is equals to, what is the formula?
1 upon 2 pi.
1 upon 2 pi integral
Minus
बोला.
pi to minus
हाँ.
pi to HD of e power j omega.
HD of e power j omega. It is capital HD of e power j omega, na? HD of is capital HD of e power j omega into e power j omega n into d omega. Question मध्ये दिला काय आपला? 1 by 2 pi. What is the limit? Limit काय आपला?
Minus pi by 3 to pi by 3.
Minus pi by 3 to plus pi by 3. Okay. The value of HD of e power j omega is how much? 1 into e power j omega n into d omega. अच्छा काय function येणार आता? Can you calculate it function? What is the function? मी रिपीटेड एक्झाम्पल्स घेतो कशासाठी तुम्हाला थोडं प्रॅक्टिस जास्त होऊ दे मग
3 by pi n.
हा कॅन रिपीट द आन्सर मॅडम
Sin n pi by 3 divided by pi n.
स्टिल यू रिपीट इट कॅन यू रिपीट वन्स अगेन
Sin n pi by 3 by pi n.
ओके साइन n पाई बाय 3 ठीक है सो 1 by pi n into sin n pi by 3 नाउ so ये एक बार पता चलने के बाद what we need to do is we have to calculate the values of first what is the value we need to calculate hd of 0 कसे कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आहे आता सॉरी Okay, HD of 0 we will calculate first. So how do you calculate this? Who will tell me? What is the value of HD of 0? How it is going to be calculated?
L hospital.
With L hospital rule. काय ते? कसं सॉल्व करणार मॅडम याला आता? Anybody? How it can be solved? सॉल्व करा आणि सांगा मला आता. I want to calculate a value of HD of 0. So who will explain it or who will tell it? और मला नावच घ्यावं लागतं नाही तर नावा घेऊन कुंकू टिळा वगैरे लावल्याशिवाय तुम्ही काय बोलणार नाही. मोनिका इज देयर? मोनिका शिंदे. रोल नंबर 13.
Yes, sir.
बोला की मॅडम. नाव घेतल्यानंतरच बोला असं काय आहे का? How you are going to calculate a value of HD of 0?
By using L hospital rule.
ओके, काय ते सांगा की कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करणार? काय सांगताय
H
तुमच्या
of n is equal to HD of n.
हा
Uh, H of n is equal to 1 divided by pi n in bracket sin of pi n minus sin of
नाही मॅडम
नहीं
चुकतंय.
सर कुछ तो हो रहा
चुकतंय
है.
कुठंतरी चुकतंय. बघा की रट्टा मारू नका. मायनस बिनस ते तसं काय विचारच करायचा नाही. वी हॅव टू गो विथ सिंपल वे. बघा थोडा चेक करा. 1-2 मिनिट वेळ देतो मी तुम्हाला आणि सांगा मला. राईट. सो हु इज देअर अगेन नेक्स्ट? अबोल इज देअर?
Yes, sir.
काय मॅडम बोलतच नाही की कधी तुम्ही? विचारलं तरच
आत्ताच
बोलायचं.
बोलले की सर मी आत्ताच तर व्हॅल्यू सांगितली होती की.
ओके सांगितलं का? चला ठीक आहे. सांगितलं तर बरं झालं. नाव टेल मी.
लिमिट n टेन्स टू 0 करत असते सर.
ओके लिमिट n टेन्स टू 0. सांगा की पूर्ण सांगा काय करायचं ते.
साइन n पाय बाय 3 डिवायडेड बाय पाय n. जर साइन थिटा बाय थिटा असेल तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू 1 असते.
मग त्याला काय करायचं आता? इक्वल नाही तो. बरोबर.
मल्टिप्लाय बाय 1/3 केलं तर त्याचा अँगल सेम येते.
मल्टिप्लाय बाय 1/3 केलं तर अँगल सेम येणार. मग
म्हणजे
साइन थिटा बाय थिटा इक्वेट होणार तो. ठीक आहे.
1/3 येते आन्सर.
ओके आन्सर इज 1/3. आय होप एव्हरीवन हॅज अंडरस्टूड दिस. कळालं का बाकी सगळ्यांना?
yes, sir.
मोनिका
हाँ सर.
झालं का मॅडम क्लिअर? ओके.
Yes, sir.
So okay, now let's write it. HD of 0 equals to limit n tends to 0 for sin pi n by 3 divided by pi n आहे आपलं. Right. So to make the value like sin theta by theta, मतलब हे दोन्ही थीटाचे व्हॅल्यू आम्हाला सेम यायला पाहिजे. So here it is not equal. So for that I am just dividing here, sorry multiplying and dividing by, चुकला ना काहीतरी तर. This I have written wrong. This is pi n is there. So that value is not equal. So यहाँ पे अभी दोनों इक्वल करने के लिए यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई भी कर रहा हूं और इसके पास डिवाइड भी कर रहा हूं. So then it is same as our sin theta by theta. Right? This is like same as our sin theta by theta. Then the value goes, this will be equals to 1 by 3. Understood? Still any confusion here? Now let's write the values like hd of 1 is equals to hd of minus 1 लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, or simply we will calculate the 4 values. Then other values are by default it is same. hd of 3 and hd of 4. Who will tell me the values now? hd of 1. What is the value? आता बोलायला का मोदक चढवायचा का? संपला की काल गणेश विसर्जन?
Point 2756.
Okay, 0.2756. Then next is
0.137.
0.2756. hd of 2 is
0.137.
0.1378.
8.
Okay. Then hd of 3 0 आलाय
हाँ सर, 0.
आणि hd of 4 0 point. What is that?
0.68.
0.068. Okay. I got these values. Any question here?
Yes sir.
Any question? Any confusion?
No, sir.
फक्त स्टेप्स फॉलो करायचा आहे आम्हाला. स्टेप्स फॉलो करायचा आहे. हार्डली like 1 or 2 for like stepwise formulas you need to remember and you have to do the proper calculation. ठीक है? Then what is third step? Who will tell me? Third step काय आहे आपला आता? तर बघू कोणाला तर कुंकू लावून विचारू जरा. कोण सांगतंय बघू जरा आता. कोणाला कुंकू लावायचं? धनराज इज देयर. धनराज भोसले. धनराज भोसले गेले वाटते साहेब. करण शिंदे. करण.
Yes, sir.
व्हेरी गुड. धन्यवाद बाबा. आहेस तू तिथं. चलो. व्हॉट इज थर्ड स्टेप?
The filter coefficient using Hamming window.
ना अजून ते नंतर येतं रे बाबा. त्याच्या आधी काय करायचं आपला? आता आम्ही काय केलो? विंडो फंक्शनचे व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट केला. बरोबर. आणि एचडी ऑफ एन चं व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट केलाय आता. मग तिसरा स्टेप काय आपलं?
H dash n का?
हा, एच डॅश ऑफ एन काढायचं व्हॅल्यू. ठीक आहे.
हो.
हा, मग आता एच डॅश ऑफ एन म्हणा किंवा एच ऑफ एन म्हणा, काही म्हणा, काहीच अडचण नाही. मग आता कसं करणार ते? कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करणार? कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करणार ते?
H dash of n is equal to H of n is omega H of n.
व्हेरी गुड. राईट. मग आपल्याला काय करायचं आता? फिल्टर कोइफिशियंट जे कॅल्क्युलेट केला आहे मी, तो मल्टीप्लाइड विथ विंडो फिल्टर कोइफिशियंट्स, मतलब एच डी ऑफ एन मल्टीप्लाइड विथ डब्ल्यू एच ऑफ एन. बराबर.
Yes.
Thank you, Karan. Now let's write the third step. We just write to calculate the truncated values. To to calculate the truncated values of h of n. Notations थोडंफार इकडे तिकडे होतील. So please you remember the steps to calculate the truncated values of h of n. So what we are writing here is h of n equals to, this is our third step, h of n equals to, what we will write? hd of n is multiplied with wh of n. Okay, so let us calculate first zero value. h of zero's value काय येणार आता? Yes, it is hd of 0 is multiplied with omega h of 0. What is the value? hd of 0's value क्या है? 0.333 into 1 is equals to, the answer is 0.333 it is. And similarly calculate for h of 1, h of 2, h of 3 and h of 4. What is the value of h of 1? Anybody?
0.2384.
It is 0.2384. Okay. The next h of 2,
0.074.
0.074. h of 3,
0.
0.
0. And h of 4, काय value? What is h of 4?
Minus 0.0054.
Plus minus का minus?
Minus
0054.
54.
ओके, तो यहाँ पे ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं हम, लाइक h of -1. तो ये सब जगह पे कॉमन रहेगा. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूजन हियर. सो इट कैन बी रिटन लाइक दिस आल्सो. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? Any difficulty here in third step? Any difficulty in third step?
No, sir.
Okay. So what is the next step? What is fourth step?
Transfer function.
We have to write a transfer function. Fourth one, to find transfer function. Steps असा तुम्हाला रट्टा मारायला पाहिजे. पटपट पटपट एका झाल्यानंतर एक, you need to be like, it should be on toes of your tongue. Transfer function. What we can write? What is the formula? काय formula आपला? Yes, who will tell me this formula? H of z
H of
equal.
z is equal to
Hmm.
h dash of 0 plus summation n
ठीक
is
है,
equal
अभी
to 1 to
वेट मैडम वेट. अभी यहाँ पे ये जो ऊपर वैल्यू ले रहे हैं ना हम अभी, ये हमें रखना है वहां पर. ठीक है. इफ इट इज h डैश, let it be h dash, or else if it is h of n, let it be h of n. Understood? In third step, what notation we are using? So that value we will take it here. Are you getting my point? ठीक है. थोड़ा notation change हो सकता है आपका, or else you can follow this as same notation. ठीक है. आता काय येणार इथं? h of n plus summation n equals to 1 to n minus 1 by 2 h of n multiplied with z power minus n plus z power n. Kalala? Still any question here? Hello? Have you understood? Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So it is h of n or h of 0? It is h of 0, na? Okay. So it is h of 0 plus summation n equals to 1 to काय value येणार इथं?
4.
4. ठीक है? h of n multiplied with z power minus n plus z power n. You just simplify this and get the answer. So if you write this as a simplified value, तो h of z का वैल्यू क्या लिखते हैं अभी? How it can be written? Now we are going to write h of z equals to, yes, anybody has calculated what is the value of h of 0? H of 0 is 0.33, then plus 0.238 multiplied with z dash plus z power minus 1 plus then again 0.0744 multiplied with z square plus z power minus 2, then again plus or minus is minus 0.0055 multiplied with z to the power minus 4 plus z to the power 4. Okay. This is correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the next part? Can you complete the further part? Can you complete further part?
Yes, sir.
Just complete it. Tomorrow we will take one or two example and we will close that part tomorrow. Then I will start with the new topic by the next lecture. Okay, we'll close the session here.
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
Number send होईना. A08.
रोल नंबर 8 का ओके
हाँ.
ठीक है.